Hey guys, welcome back to RC Brucey. As you can see here, we're out here by the ramp with the Traxxas Maxx here. I did some modifications, or should I say changed the shock oil from a 90 to an 80 from front to rear, to see if we can eliminate and get rid of some of this chassis slap. This isn't just all my idea, so I want to give credit and thanks to all the people and my friends that I've been talking to on Facebook and out in the RC world that gave me this advice for doing this. I hope it works. I'm sure it will, because most of the advice that I do get is awesome advice from everyone, and I greatly appreciate it. And once again, I just want to say thanks for watching. Please continue to hit that like button, comment below, let me know, and hit that subscribe button. The support is truly and greatly appreciated by everyone. And once again, everyone out there has given me advice over the past year and a half that we've been on YouTube. Greatly appreciate all the insight, guys, and I really thank you, and you guys know who you are. Thanks again. Anyway, here's some run footage. I hope you guys enjoy it. And thanks for watching RC Brucey. It would be nice if I could hit the ramp right. It's early Sunday morning, guys. Give me a break. It's rained like crazy a lot yesterday. We needed it. Still got a little chassis slap in there. Not as bad. Sounded like a building coming down before with the stock oil in there. Still got a little slap. Crazy how bad these shocks are in such a cool truck. And it makes you wonder, like, why did they put these shocks in here and they just don't work with the truck? Good thing it's tough and it takes a hell of a beating. Whoa! Alright guys, just off camera I went back and put a little adjustment on the turnbuckles. Let's see if this helps out at all. I think that was the shell slap in there, not the chassis. Like I said, I'm running 80-90 or 90-80 front to back. I think that adjustment on the turnbuckle helped a little bit. Still not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. Like I said before, when I'd land, it sounded like a building coming down. Noser. Whoa! Man, I can't hit that ramp today. Totally misjudged that one. Still getting a little chassis slap, but not as bad, guys. All right. I got some people coming over later today and we're going to be bashing. Maybe I'll make some film. So I don't want to go too crazy because with my luck, I'm going to break it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like button, comment below, let me know what you think. And once again, I put 90 weight in the front and 80 in the rear. And what I think I'm going to do is actually throw a 90 in the rear too and see how that works. But I'm going to say that changing the shock oils definitely made a huge drastic improvement with the chassis slap. Yes, it's still happening, but nowhere near as bad. Once again, hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching RC Brucey. I'll see you guys next time.